Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel and my review of the Dispatch Knives Swing Guard Lockback. There you see it has wood handle scales, it has stainless steel bolsters, it is a swing guard, which means that guard right there, it's on a hinge, and when you open the knife, it will swing into place. This was only $18, kind of an impulse buy. Yes, this is a budget blade. I will include a link below the video if you want to pick one up. 144.8 grams and 5.11 ounces. The blade length is about 4.1 inches if you measure from the top of the guard. So this is a back lock, which is a type of lockback. You push on that to disengage the lock. Now this does not have any nail nicks. You just pull the blade open like so. It has a mirror polish. Now, as for the steel, they just listed it as stainless steel. After cutting a bunch of things with this and touching up the edge, I feel like the steel is probably either 440A or some steel that's roughly equivalent to that, just from how it behaves, the way it takes an edge, that mirror polish. So yeah, that's what I think it is, 440A or a roughly equivalent steel. Interesting blade shape. I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, keep in mind, it's a budget blade, so I'm not expecting like Excalibur in this price range. Alright, yep, that's me. What's up? What's up, my people? Cutting some things. This is some seatbelt type material. It's heavy-duty nylon strap material. So, budget knife reviews. If you like budget knife reviews, you will like my channel. Budget knife reviews, that is the most requested type of video that people ask for obvious reasons. Everybody has other stuff to spend their money on, for sure. Here's some paracord. I just wanted to show how easily it goes through. It's just like effortlessly, like nothing. Here's a piece of wood. We're going to do a little whittling. So I hope you're all doing well these days, in these days of rage, these unprecedented days of conflict, right? Where the nukes may fly at any time, at least according to the news and some of the prepper channels that I watch. But my response to that is just to keep trying to produce content for you that will entertain, inform, or perhaps just distract you from the stresses of life, right? So I do hope you are all doing well these days, keeping busy, keeping healthy, keeping productive. This knife was certainly pretty good at the whittling. There is my pointy piece of wood there. Yeah, I'm getting to like this knife as I cut more things with it. I started to like it more. Here it is on a piece of a box. Yeah, it makes a decent box cutter in a pinch. Alright, coming up, some paper. This is when I first got it. Yeah, it did pretty well for an inexpensive knife. Alright, final thoughts. And you can just watch me whittle the other end of this. Final thoughts on this budget blade. I like this knife for what it is. You know, I'm going to be honest with you. I was getting back into swords as well as big bore pellet rifles. So I wasn't really trying to spend on very expensive folders lately. But I did want something just to play around with, you know, to sharpen up a little bit. And I also wanted to find some cool budget stuff for you, all right? More good whittling. So I like this for what it is. This is an impulse buy. Don't overthink this. I mean, if you think it looks cool, you want a beater knife or a gift for a younger person. Yeah, this would serve. This would make a nice little beater knife. It's just a fun knife, really. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the links. Consider subscribing. This is We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.